Good. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go live with YouTube with Restream.io. To show you how to do that, I'm going to click on share icon. Here's my screen right now when I'm recording. I'm going to click on it says Restream Studio. Go live stream or record or from your browser. See, now I know how to read, so now you can show your webcam or your desktop browser. So now you're going to show your screen. I'm going to click on your camera. Now make sure to add a name because if people is people trying to join your stream account, it will if you don't want this, you can click on hide, it'll be hide to your name. Now on the destination, you can click on go live. Hold on, before we go live, I'm gonna have to add some channels. Hold on a sec. Okay, there we go. Now we're live. So let me just remove my watermark from the video. So for people know it's my YouTube channel. That's why. On the right, choose your video. Hold on, I need to. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Just take a chill sec. Let's change this. Click on share icon. Click on share. Let's check on YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna show my whole full screen. I'm gonna click refresh into YouTube, and it showed me we're live. I'm just click on now. Okay, I'm just gonna take this out. And let's see our live stream. Yes, no, there's no make for kids. And we're live. So we want to stop the stream. You can click on end stream. Also the same thing, you could do this to Restream. Head over to Restream and click on end stream too. So you have two different two webs page for the end stream. This is how to go stream step by step with Restream. This is this helpful. Please hit subscribe button so I can see the next video about more different live streams from YouTube. So now, go out. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Hold on, let me add my destination. Let's click on microphone. Goodbye. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.